Hi, my name is Dennis and I'm in the Philippines. It is very hot in the country because it will rain later on. I am with my friend Garly from church. Say hello, Garly.
Hello.
That is my friend, Garly. He is one of the musicians in Open Door. Over there is the house of our pastor and his son, John. I shall call John gently with my mouth wide open but have a control modulation towards my voice. As you can see. John! 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 My friend! My friend is singing.
Baklay, tapi ubag ito na tayo. Kana mag-usa ka bandiyadong bihon. Pagkumanya o kaon ang mingis sa iyang ipon. That is about Jan.
The one who is frustrated with love. Bow.